Train to UNC Charlotte Main Station, arriving in 5 minutes.
I use the light rail in Charlotte to get back and forth to work and to commute uptown after hours for sports and entertainment life.
This is all about forward thinking and thinking about the future. So we're trying to inconvenience our passengers as little as possible by giving them a set amount of time when they know that the light rail won't be running. We appreciate the public's patience. What we're trying to do is provide reliable transportation for years to come.